The Crown Princess, a grand cruise liner carrying 3,100 passengers, encountered a ferocious storm near Milford Sound, New Zealand, on February 25th while on a 14-day round-trip voyage from Sydney, Australia. As the ship attempted to navigate through the region, it was struck by powerful winds, causing a sudden and dramatic list, which left both passengers and crew scrambling to maintain their footing. Eyewitness videos captured the chaos on board. Breakfast plates rolling across the galley floor as crew members desperately tried to salvage them, while passengers at the buffet clung onto nearby structures to avoid being thrown off balance. Water from the deck's swimming pools sloshed over the edges, cascading across the deck like a small tidal wave. In the ship's stores, merchandise tumbled from the shelves, while on the galley, pots and pans crashed to the floor, creating a cacophony of metal against tile. According to reports, the incident occurred while the Crown Princess was maneuvering through the unpredictable waters of the Fiordland region. The ship was suddenly struck by extreme winds, estimated at 75 knots, approximately 139 kilometers per hour, or 86 miles per hour. This powerful gust briefly caused the vessel to tilt at an alarming 14-degree angle before stabilizing. The abrupt movement led to minor injuries among passengers and crew, with 13 guests and 3 crew members sustaining non-serious injuries due to falls and impacts. Despite the unsettling experience, the ship's 1,200 crew members responded with remarkable efficiency. Emergency medical teams were swiftly deployed, attending to those who required assistance, while other crew members worked tirelessly to restore order on board. Their rapid response helped reassure passengers and mitigate further incidents. Fortunately, despite the severity of the storm, Crown Princess suffered no structural damage. The vessel remained fully operational, and after stabilizing, it resumed its course without any alterations to the planned itinerary. The cruise line later issued a statement acknowledging the incident and reassuring passengers and their families that the ship remained safe. We sincerely apologize for any inconvenience this may have caused and deeply appreciate the understanding of our guests. Crown Princess remains fully functional and secure, and the voyage continues as scheduled, a company representative stated. This dramatic encounter highlights the unpredictable nature of ocean travel, particularly in the rugged waters near New Zealand's South Island. While modern cruise ships are built to withstand extreme weather conditions, moments like these serve as a stark reminder of the power of nature and the skill required to navigate through it. For the passengers aboard Crown Princess, this voyage will undoubtedly be one to remember, not just for the breathtaking beauty of Milford Sound, but also for the unforgettable experience of sailing through a storm and witnessing the resilience of both the ship and its crew.